Hi everybody, welcome back for day 2 of the summer fun features for LDRS Creative. Once again today I'm going to be mixing up some products from the new release with some previously released products. So from the summer collection, I have the new Folk Art Slimline Stencil set. This is a layering stencil set. This is something that I have quite a few videos on both my YouTube channel and on the LDRS Creative YouTube channel showing how I use these. What I like to do is take a piece of cardstock that is slightly larger than the layering stencil and tape that right into that bottom left-hand corner of my MISTI. This is going to keep my cardstock still while I ink blend, and it's going to make layering very easy. Once I have my cardstock taped in my MISTI, I'm going to take the first stencil, they are numbered 1, 2, and 3 in this case, and I'm going to butt that up right down into that bottom left-hand corner, right where my cardstock is. For this first stencil, I used Prickly Pear Perfection, a hybrid ink from LDRS Creative, ink blended with an LDRS Creative blending brush, and then I popped out that stencil and replaced it with the second stencil, again keeping that right in that bottom left-hand corner. And then I'm just going to move on to my second layer stencil, which I used Banana Cream Pie, and then again remove that stencil, replace the third one right in that bottom left-hand corner, and I'll use pink 2-2 ink over this third stencil. Using this MISTI hack makes it so that I don't have to line any of my stencils up. As long as I keep them in that bottom left-hand corner and keep things consistent, things are going to layer perfectly, just like they did on my cardstock here. I trimmed that panel down and I decided that I wanted to add a frame to this. So I'm using the original Slimline Scallop die set. This was LDRS Creative's first Slimline die set. I taped those two outer dies together and cut them together from white cardstock, and that's going to give me a white scalloped frame. I stamped out a cute little image from the Beary Hoppy stamp set. This is my favorite image from the Beary Hoppy stamp set. It has this little bunny and a bear on a bike. I think it's perfect for all occasion cards. These two little critters together are just super happy. So I stamped them with Raven Hybrid ink onto Neenah 110-pound cardstock, and then I'm just going to color with Copics. It's very easy the way that I color. I start with my darkest marker and then just work my way out to my lightest color. So I go dark where I think there should be shadows, and then I blend out with my light markers. So for the pinks, I'm using R85, R83, and R81. So my R85 is my darkest. I will add just a little line of dark marker where I think that area should be the darkest, where I think there should be shadows, and then I'll blend out that darkest marker with my medium, which is R83, just kind of going right up to that dark line and blending that out a little bit. And then once I'm done with my medium marker, I will switch over to my lightest marker, which in this case is R81, and I will color all over that portion of my image and blend out both my darkest and my medium color. I use the coordinating Beary Hoppy die set to cut that little character out, and then I also stamped a sentiment from the Beary Hoppy stamp set onto a strip of white cardstock and just used my scissors to create a ribbon edge. I decided I wanted a little bit more texture in my background, so I added some black watercolor speckles. I added my frame and my image with foam tape, and then added some pastel yellow pearls, and that finishes this card. I hope that this makes you think summer and think happy, warm thoughts. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this quick video tutorial. I'll see you again soon in another video. Bye! Thank you again very much for watching this video. If you liked this video and you'd like to see more from me, please hit that subscribe button that is on the screen now. And here are a few other videos that I thought you might enjoy.